Good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. It's another beautiful day. Sun is shining again. No cloud in the sky, no rain. That's a good thing. So our project continues. Today you've noticed that I'm putting on a mask, and that's for a good reason. In a minute, I'll show you as to why I need that mask. Just to show you what I've been up to. The project continues with the pond. Let me just show you what I'm up to today. Okay, so you remember the last videos I did, I was doing the bottom drain, which is, as you can see there, it's all dried up now. The concrete has all dried up. So my project for today, or what I'm doing today, is I was thinking of how I can get rid of this rubble. For me to hire a skip for them to come and take this away, it's not less than 300 pounds. So I was thinking, is there a way I can save myself 300 pounds? Remember this channel, I do this channel as a way to share ideas on how we can save money. If we can come up with ways and means on which you can do your project, but save yourself some money. So I was thinking of how am I going to get rid of this, or get rid of most of it at a less cost. Remember, I had said I wanted to build the second wall here to reinforce this wall. But then I came up with an idea, of which I'm doing now. Instead of building the wall across here to make it two, why don't I use that rubble to reinforce my wall? And the plan that I've come up with is, if you see, you've got that line of wood there. I came up with an idea because I had a lot of these decking boards. I thought to myself, I might use these decking boards. Instead of me taking them to the dump, let me recycle them. I had to collect some more from somebody who was giving them away also in Southend. So my plan for today is, or the plan I have for this, is for me to put a line of these, cut up these woods, these decking boards, and then put them in a line like this. If I show you what I'm doing here. Do you see this? Right? So these have been fixed into the ground. They are very firm. So I'm going to make this line go all the way to the end there, and then all the way to there. And then what I plan to do is, I plan to use these same concrete blocks or whatever they are, rubble, put it in between here, so that I'll fill it up to the level of the pond wall. Those timber or decking boards are the same height as the pond. So what I plan to do is, I'll put this rubble inside between the wall and the decking boards, fill it up all the way to the top, and then I'm going to pour concrete on top to seal it up. Then I'm thinking of maybe if I can find some towels, I can put towels on top to decorate it. That would be after the liner has been put in. So this is what I am doing today. I'm cutting all that wood with my jigsaw. Oh, this is a circular saw, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm using that to cut that, and then see how far we go with this and see whether my plan works. If it does, I was looking at this and I'm thinking I may be able to put quite a lot of this rubble in between, and it will reduce this power a lot. So let's see how that goes, and keep you updated. Okay, guys, here we are. um, I've now made the wall, the wood, I don't even know what to call it, my wooden wall, if I may put it that way. As you can see it from this angle, yeah, it's not very straight, or the wood is not very straight, because it was a bit difficult to hammer the decking into the ground. Some areas have got concrete on them, so the wood wouldn't go in very far to level it off. But I've tried my level best, and as you can see, it's almost a straight line. I've reinforced it on the side here just to make it stronger. Yeah, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with it. It will look good, because once I put the concrete on top, and then I'm gonna paint the side, the wood. I'm gonna paint it with wood preservative. It's a word, a full mouth word, or oh, whatever. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna paint that. Um, just to make it look neater and nice. And then what I'm going to do is, you can see here at the end where the wood ends before, if I may show you this, you see the wall ends here, but the wood ends there. So there's a bit of a gap. The wall should come up to somewhere there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to build a small wall, a wall here, to close it off to meet with the wood. Same thing at the back there. I'm going to do the same thing, just build a wall. This side, I think I'll only need about 4 bricks. That side, I'll need 8, 10 bricks. I've got plenty of bricks here, and I still have plenty at the back of the house, at the front of the house. So I should have more than enough to do that. So I will do that, then rest a bit, and then because it's now getting quite warm, when the heat goes down a bit, then I'll start taking these rubble and throwing it inside here, packing it inside here, so that between the wood and the wall, so that I just reinforce my wall, and then I'll pour concrete on top. That should do the trick. Okay, guys, right, the wall is done on this side and on that side. So now you can see it looks much better. There's much improvement on how it appears. So now is to let the walls dry, the cement to dry on both ends, and then I will fill this gap with that. I should fill quite a lot in there, so I will have very little remaining on there. Yeah, so yeah, so you see it looks good, looks nice. I'm happy with it. Yeah, I'll show you the next video when I've finished putting the rubble inside. I need just to take a rest now. Tired. It's a very hot day today. So see you in my next video.